Good evening. All staff at Milwaukee Public Schools may soon be required to get vaccinated against COVID-19. I'm Shannon Sims.
I'm Steve Shamraz. Rebecca Clough takes us 360 tonight. Multiple perspectives on whether this proposed mandate is fair and if it's legal.
Some say it will protect students and staff. Others say it infringes on people's rights. To understand the different perspectives, we go 360 on a potential vaccine mandate for MPS teachers and staff. We talked to the head of the Milwaukee Teachers Education Association about incentivizing vaccines, the chair of the Black Educators Caucus, MKE, who says vaccines should be mandated, an employment attorney about the legality of a mandate, the medical director for Milwaukee County's Office of Emergency Management, and parents with differing opinions. That's where we start. Do you care if the teachers are vaccinated then?
Honestly, as long as they're masked, they're using sanitizing practices, not necessarily.
Kim Silvas is a parent of an MPS student. She believes vaccines should be up to individual people.
You can't force something on someone if their beliefs don't align with it.
Parent Michael Ferguson agrees.
If you want to get vaccinated, great. If you don't, great. It's your choice. Like, your body, your choice.
Parent Katie Grabowski supports a vaccine mandate for teachers.
They are our first line of defense for our small children who can't get vaccinated yet. I think it's part of the responsibility of a teacher to protect their students.
If the Milwaukee School Board mandates vaccines for all staff members, it would join these 5 cities and 7 states where it's either required or will be by fall. This includes St. Louis, Chicago, and New York City. The MPS Teachers Union says it doesn't have an opinion on the mandate, but strongly encourages its members to get the vaccine.
There are plenty of ways to incentivize, and school districts across the nation are doing this. We're looking forward to getting as many folks scooped in, and we should start with an incentive.
Incentives along with a mandate is something the MPS School Board says it's looking into. However, the Black Educators Caucus says a vaccine should be required for all MPS teachers.
Teachers in our district that are immunocompromised and have health issues, and we want them to be able to feel safe as they begin to return back to their buildings, and at least taking the idea that the other educators that they work with will be vaccinated, even if the students aren't able to.
Labor attorney Shannon Toole shares the legality of a proposed mandate.
It is legal for an employer to say, hey, employees, you must be vaccinated in order to come to work. Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, if somebody, say, had a disability that prevented them from getting the vaccine, it's likely that they would be protected from being terminated because they were not vaccinated.
From a health perspective, Dr. Ben Weston, the Chief Health Policy Advisor for the Milwaukee County Office of Emergency Management, says the vaccine is the best defense we have in ending the pandemic.
At this point, over 200 million people have received the vaccine in the United States. You'd be hard-pressed to find drugs or vaccines that have been given to that many people, and that have been so carefully studied and followed during that time. And what we've learned from all of these studies, and we continue to learn from studies that come out on a daily basis, is the vaccine is incredibly safe and incredibly effective.
The school board will have a special meeting on this issue on Thursday to have your voice heard. You can either email the board or sign up for public comment. We have a link on how to do that on our website, tmj4.com. For 360, I'm Rebecca Clough reporting.